Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 6 grammar success with composition chapter number 1 remembering nouns. Okay, so if you have not watched the part 1, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so in that video we have discussed about up to D. Okay, so here in this video we will discuss from E. So here fill in the blanks by selecting words provided in the box. Okay, so here a place for aeroplanes. So you know, yes, aerodrome. Okay, so here a place for aeroplanes, you know, aerodrome. The next here a place with public dance hall, gaming tables, etc. So you know, yes, this is, you know, casino, called casino. So here, okay. The next here a line of people waiting for something, you know, queue. Okay, so here. The next here the yellow part of an egg, you know, yolk. Okay. The next here the white part of an egg, you know, yes, albumen, right? The next here a place where animals are kept alive and live in their natural state, you know, habitat. The next here people who live in igloos, you know, Eskimos. The next here a place from where stamps can be bought. Okay, you know, post office. The next here people who walk on footpath, you know, yes, you know, pedestrians. The next here people who live in Holland, you know, the Dutch, right? The next here given below is a picture of a sports goods showroom. So imagine you are a customer, okay, who wants to buy some items. Your name will be a clue for the item you will ask for. So here fill in the blanks correctly, change some words accordingly. The first one has been done for you as an example. Okay, so you know here this is a sports goods showroom, right? So here the first one, Mr. Golfer. Do you have a complete golf set? The next one, Mr. Cricketer. I want to buy a dash like Virat Kohli's. Do you have one? Okay, so here you have to use cricket bat. The next here, Mr. Hockey Player. Right? Can you show me a good, you know, here there are different types of sports have been discussed, and what are the different, you know, goods are required for the different types of sports. You know, in the first golf, then second cricket, then next hockey, right? So here you have to write hockey stick. Okay. So here you have to write hockey stick. Mr. Hockey Player, can you show me a hockey stick, right? The next here, Miss Badminton. I want a dash exactly like Saina Nehwal's, right? So here you have to write, yes, badminton racket, right? The next here, Mr. Skater. I am learning to skate on ice. Please show me the safest, okay? But the latest in, yes, latest in ice skates. Clear? Then next here, Miss Basketball. I want a big dash for the school sports day. Please show me the latest one. So, you know, here there is a sports of, you know, basketball, right? So here you have to write, yes, basketball net. Then next here, Mr. Referee. I want a dash. Do you have any? I want a, yes, referee's whistle, right? Then next here, the young master footballer. I am learning to be a goalkeeper and stop goals. Please show me yes, right, football. Okay, I can catch and win the match. So here, yes, football, right? Then next here, Mr. Boxer. You know, do you have red dash? I want the most durable ones. Okay, so here you have to mention boxing gloves. Then next here, Miss and Master table tennis. We want a box of, okay, please show us all the varieties you have. So here you have to write table tennis balls, right? Then next here, given in the box below is a list of different professionals, right? So fill in the blanks with appropriate words. The first one has been done for you as an example. So here the words are already provided. You have to use the correct one, okay, according to the question. So here first one is already provided, driver. The next, I drive buses on the road, right? I am a, yes, driver, right? So here I drive buses on the road, so I am a driver, right? The next here, I work with machines in my profession. Yes, I am an engineer, right? The next year, I inspect schools, offices, etc. So you know, I am an, yes, I am an inspector, right? The next year, I write poems to earn my living. You know, yes, I am a poet. Then next year, I earn my living by catching fish. Yes, I am a fisherman, right? Then next year, I perform comic actions on stage. I am a comedian. Then next year, I am in charge of a jail. I am a jailer. Then next, I deliver judgment in the court, right? So I am a judge. Then next year, I work in the mines. I am a miner. I climb high mountains. I am a mountaineer, right? Then next year, I sweep the floors of schools and offices. I am a sweeper. Then next, I cook tasty dishes in a hotel. I am a chef, right? I give tickets to passengers in a bus. So I am a conductor. Then next, I give cash to the customers in a bank. I am a cashier, right? You know, there are various professions have been mentioned. You have to write the correct one according to the hints, right? So I perform magic tricks on the stage, right? Yes, magician. I plough the fields. I am a farmer, right? Then next here, I edit the articles and news in newspapers. You know, I am an editor. I direct, plays and movies. I am a director, right? Then next, I carry heavy loads all day. So I am a laborer. Clear? Then next here, fill in the blanks by using appropriate words provided in the box. The first one has been done for you as an example, right? So here, right? He is my father's brother. Yes, he is my uncle, right? She is my wife's mother. Wife's mother called as, yes, mother-in-law. She is my mother's sister. Aunt, right? He is my brother's son. He is my nephew, right? She is my sister's daughter. She is my niece. Okay. That respectable looking man is my father's father. Grandfather. So you have to end the sentence with a full stop. Okay. Then next, that lady with white hair is my father's mother. She is my grandmother, right? Then next, that cute little boy is my son's son. Grandson. Then next, the little girl with a ponytail is my, daughter's daughter. Yes, she is my granddaughter. Then next, Rita is my uncle's daughter. Uncle's daughter, yes, cousin. She is my cousin, right? Then next here, pick out the proper noun from each of the following groups and rewrite it with a capital letter. So, here there are some common nouns are provided and also a proper noun is there. So you have to start, you have to find out the proper noun and write with a capital letter. Clear? So here, church priest Joseph, Joseph, right? So Joseph, proper noun. You have to write the proper noun with a capital letter. So here, these are two common nouns, right? Then book, Bible, magazine. Book, magazine, common noun, right? And Bible, proper noun. So it should start with capital letter. Then next, king, queen, Charles. Yes, king, queen, common noun, and Charles, this is proper noun, right? And you should start with a capital letter. Then next, capital city. Capital city, they both are common noun. And Bhopal, yes, proper noun, right? So you should start with a capital letter. Then next, poet, Guljar, writer. So, poet, writer, common noun, and Guljar, yes, poet. This is the name of poet. So here you have to start with a capital letter, Guljar. Then next, movie, drama, Sholay. Movie, drama, common noun, right? And Sholay, this is proper noun. So you have to start with the capital letter. Actor, American director. Actor, common noun. Common noun. Right? And American, proper noun. You should start with a capital letter. Religion, Hindu caste. Religion, Hindu, common noun. And Hindi, yes, this is, proper noun. So you should write Hindu with a capital letter. Yes, right? Then next, Vivekananda, philosopher, thinker. Philosopher, thinker, they are common noun, right? And Vivekananda, this is proper noun. So you should start V with a capital letter, right? Then next, invader, Alexander, conqueror. Invader, conqueror, these are, two common noun. And proper noun, Alexander. So you should start with a capital letter A, right? Monument, Lal Killa, town. Monument, town, these are common noun. And Lal Killa, this is a proper noun. So you should start L with a capital letter. Then next, Himalayas, rock, mountain. Yes, rock, mountain, this is common noun. And Himalayas, this is proper noun. So you should start with a capital letter, right? Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.